Scrambled eggs are so good in the morning, but I added a twist. We're gonna do cabbage with scrambled eggs, and cabbage is loaded with vitamin C. Eggs are full of B vitamins and minerals. This is so nutritious and delicious. Let's put it together. So to start this off, we're going to take 2 cloves of garlic and a tablespoon of olive oil. I've mixed them together here, and we're gonna put them in a medium-high heat pan. We're going to add in some salt and pepper, just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of pepper, and then we're going to add 3/4 cup of cabbage, chopped up. We're going to stir that up and let it start sauteing. While that's cooking, we're going to mix our eggs together, so that's going to cook for a minute while we get the eggs going. We have 2 eggs, and we're going to add a teaspoon of water, and we're going to whip it, because that's how we make fluffy eggs. Two eggs. We're going to take a fork here and we're going to whip it, adding a teaspoon of water. Whip it really, really well in order to make sure that it's light and fluffy. Now that our cabbage is cooked, we're going to pour it over our cabbage. Work it around. So as it cooks, you're looking for the edges to get firm and set. And the key to making great scrambled eggs for me has been to break it into pieces, and then you turn it in pieces, and you only turn your eggs once. Turning them too many times makes them dry. So I break them up and then I start turning them, make sure they're all turned over completely. Once they're all turned over, I turn off the heat. And so I let it sit on the hot skillet and just gently cook the second side. I like to top it with just a little bit of Parmesan before I take it out. You can hear it still continue to cook. Just a sprinkle. It's ready, and we're going to take it out. We're going to put a few blueberries with it here. And sprinkle just a tad of Parmesan cheese back on the top. Wow, look at this. This is nutritious and delicious. Great breakfast for a great day. Let's try it. Just the right amount. The cabbage makes it crunchy, and the garlic makes it so rich in flavor. Enjoy.